A river of creamy white filling glides across a moving belt. On both sides, rows of dark chocolate discs rush in, perfectly aligned, waiting for their turn to meet the cream. Within seconds, they press together, forming that familiar sandwich, one of the most loved cookies on Earth. But this sweet perfection begins long before the cream ever touches the cookie. Inside massive factories, a process of precision, chemistry, and timing transforms simple ingredients into the iconic Oreo. It starts deep in the heart of the mixing room. Giant steel bowls stand ready, each one capable of holding hundreds of kilos of flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. A burst of air sends the fine cocoa dust into the air like dark smoke. The mixer roars to life. Inside, dry ingredients collide with a stream of warm water and shortening. The dough thickens, darkens, and begins to take on that unmistakable rich brown color that defines every Oreo. As the blades churn, the scent of chocolate fills the air deep, roasted, almost intoxicating. Once the dough reaches perfect consistency, it's rolled out into massive slabs. Steel rollers press it thin, uniform, and smooth. It feels almost like velvet to the touch, soft yet firm. Conveyor belts carry these sheets forward into the heart of the operation, the molding and stamping stage. Here, precision molds descend from above, stamping thousands of tiny discs every minute. Each mold carries the detailed Oreo design, the intricate flowers, the word Oreo in bold letters, and the geometric border that has become iconic worldwide. With every stamp, a perfect cookie is born. But stamping is just the beginning. These delicate discs are still raw. They need heat, and not just any heat. They pass into a tunnel oven, stretching nearly 300 feet long. Inside, temperatures rise above 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The cookies race through on steel mesh belts, spending exactly 4 minutes under the heat. The air is dry, the smell rich and toasty. As they move, the cookies lose moisture, hardening into crisp chocolate wafers with that signature snap. When they finally emerge, the surface is matte and fragrant. They cool quickly on long metal conveyors that snake through the cooling room like a maze. Now comes the part that defines every Oreo, the creamy center. In another section of the factory, sugar is pulverized into an almost invisible powder. It's blended with vegetable shortening, flavor, and a hint of vanilla until it becomes the smooth, velvety filling we all know. The cream is stored in large stainless steel hoppers that feed into precision depositing machines. As the chocolate wafers arrive below, nozzles release perfect dollops of cream, identical in weight, shape, and thickness. Another belt brings matching wafers from above, placing them neatly over the cream to complete the sandwich. Hundreds of thousands of Oreos come together every hour. Each cookie lands in perfect formation, lined up like soldiers. Identical, flawless. But the process doesn't stop here. Every cookie is inspected by high-speed cameras that scan for cracks, missing cream, or off-center fillings. Anything less than perfect is automatically removed. Those that pass continue down the line to be wrapped and sealed. Packaging is an art in itself. Conveyor belts feed cookies into packaging machines that wrap them into long rows before sealing them in blue plastic sleeves. The hiss of the sealing machine is followed by a puff of air that tightens each pack perfectly. Robotic arms lift dozens of packets at once, stacking them neatly into cartons that will travel across the world. Each one carries the same promise, the same taste, crunch, and creamy texture no matter where it's opened. But behind every simple bite lies a century of refinement. The first Oreo was born in 1912, created by the national biscuit company today, known as Nabisco. Back then, the cookie looked almost the same as it does today. That timeless design wasn't just decoration, it was a mark of craftsmanship, a symbol of trust. Over time, factories evolved from hand presses to fully automated production lines capable of producing millions of cookies every day. Yet, the soul of the Oreo, its balance between crunch and cream, never changed. Today, in modern factories, the rhythm is almost hypnotic. Dough is mixed in one room, while cream is prepared in another. Stamped wafers glide through ovens, cream spirals through pipes, machines hiss, spin, and hum in perfect synchronization. Workers in white uniforms move efficiently, monitoring gauges, adjusting pressure, and keeping the process alive. Every few minutes, one of them reaches into the line, picks up a fresh cookie, and snaps it in half. The sound, that crisp, clean break, tells them it's perfect. But the Oreo's journey doesn't end in the factory. Once packed, it travels across continents, through cargo planes, ships, and trucks, all climate-controlled to protect its texture. It ends up in homes, schools, and stores in more than 100 countries. In some places, it's dipped in milk. In others, it's crushed into milkshakes or layered into desserts. No matter how it's eaten, the ritual remains the same: twist, lick, dunk, and bite. There's something almost nostalgic about that sound. The snap of the cookie, the sweetness of the cream, the slight melt of chocolate on the tongue. It's more than food. It's memory, comfort, a tiny moment of happiness wrapped in blue. Every Oreo carries a piece of childhood, a link between generations, a simple act of joy repeated billions of times around the world. What most people never see is how much precision and patience go into every single piece. Sensors track humidity, dough temperature, and oven heat down to decimals. Cream injectors are calibrated to within fractions of a gram. Even the packaging pressure is tested to make sure the cookies don't crumble in transit. It's a world where science meets emotion, a place where the chemistry of baking becomes the art of happiness. Next time you open a pack, take a second before you eat one. Notice the texture on top, the pattern etched with detail, the way the cream perfectly matches its diameter. That's not luck, it's engineering, perfected over more than a century. Each bite you take is the final step of a story that began with flour, cocoa, sugar, and human ingenuity. From the roar of mixers to the whisper of wrapping machines, from hot ovens to cool conveyors, from dust to delight, that's how the world's favorite cookie is made. The Oreo is more than just a snack. It's proof that even the simplest things can become extraordinary when built with precision and passion. If you enjoyed discovering how it's made, hit subscribe because there's a world of unseen stories waiting inside every factory.